All right. Okay, here we go.
So I'm gonna have you.
Alrighty. Alrighty, Miss Barbara. My name's Gabby, and I'm going to be the intern taking care of you today. How are you today?
Good. And
Okay. So just give me a second. I'm just going to wipe off my equipment here, and then we'll get started. Any plans this week?
No.
No.
Just relax.
Just relax. Yeah, I think we all do. I think we all need to. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just be checking your distance visual acuity with your glasses on, and then we're going to do the same thing with your glasses off later. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hand you this. Go ahead and cover up your left eye for me. Okay. Okay. And without squinting, what is the lowest line you can read for me?
TZVECL.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead and cover up your right eye for me. What's the lowest line you can read without squinting?
OHPNTZ.
Awesome, thank you. And with both your eyes, without squinting, what is the lowest line you can read for me?
OHPNTZ.
Awesome, thank you. Okay, next we're just going to be checking your near vision with your glasses on. So go ahead and hold that at about a comfortable reading distance. Okay, go ahead and cover up your left eye for me.
next we're gonna be testing
Right there. Okay, and without squinting, what is the lowest line you can read for me?
DLNGYS.
Awesome, thank you.
And do you see the glare in it?
Okay, go ahead and cover up your right eye for me.
Alright, so looking at this.
What's the lowest line you can read without squinting?
DLNGYS.
Awesome, thank you. Okay, and with both your eyes and without squinting, what is the lowest line you can read for me?
DLNGYS.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take your glasses from you. We're gonna do the same thing, except without your glasses. Okay, so go ahead and cover up your left eye for me. And without squinting, what is the lowest line you can read for me?
LFGNEV.
Awesome, thank you. Okay, and cover up your right eye for me. What is the lowest line you can read without squinting?
LFGHEV.
Awesome, thank you. Okay, and with both your eyes and without squinting, what is the lowest line you can read for me?
LFGNEV.
Awesome, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this from you. Now we're gonna do your distance visual acuity without glasses on. Okay. So go ahead and cover up that left eye for me. All right. Can you read that letter for me?
Yeah,
Okay. What's the lowest line you can read here?
PHT.
Okay. Anything lower than that?
No.
Okay.
We're gonna be testing,
Alright, great job. I will take that from you.
Okay. Go ahead and cover up your right eye for me. What's the lowest line you can read without squinting?
That was
PHT.
Anything lower than that?
and for this one, we also cover math. I'm gonna show you either 1, 2, or
Okay.
4.
Thank
Let
you.
me know
Over your
what
glasses.
number you see on my hand, and just keep your eye on my eye.
Okay. And with both your eyes and without squinting, what's the lowest line you can read for me?
VLNE.
Okay. Can you read anything lower than that?
VDF. And then nothing else.
Okay. Thank you.
great. And is there any glare on this page here?
Okay, so for her distance visual corrections, distance visual acuity with her corrections on, she has 20/20 in her right eye, 20/15 in her left, 20/15 in both her eyes. Without her corrections for distance visual acuity, she has 20/80 in her right, 20/80 plus 1 in her left, 20/80 in both her eyes. For near visual acuities, with her corrections on, she's 20/20 in her right, 20/20 in her left, 20/20 in both. And without her corrections for near visual acuity, she has 2100 in her right, 2100 minus 1 in her left, and 2100 in both her eyes. Alrighty, Miss Barbara, we're just going to be checking your eye dominance, so go ahead and put this on for me. I can go ahead and take this from you. Okay, so what I'm going to have you do is make a triangle with your hands, and give me 1 second here. Hold on.
I'm gonna have you cover your left eye. And I'm gonna flash 1,
Okay, so you're gonna center that E in the center of your triangle. Okay, and I'm just gonna cover your eye. You're gonna let me know if you see the E or not. Okay? Do you see it?
Yep.
Do you see it now? Okay, go ahead and put your hands down one more time for me.
Nope. Yep.
Okay, go ahead and put your hands down one more time for me.
Alright, next I'm gonna check your eye
Next,
muscles.
we're testing some externals of your face.
Do you see it now?
Eyes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Slight edges.
Okay. Okay, and she is right-eyed down. Alrighty, Miss Barber. So next what I'm gonna have, we're gonna do is just check how well your eyes adjust to something up close and how well you adjust to something far.
Go ahead and open. I'm gonna have you look over here.
Okay, alright. So what I'm gonna do is hold this O about 10 centimeters from your face. When I say look at the O, look at the O, look at the A, look at the A. Okay? Go ahead, look at the O for me. Look at the A. Look at the O. And look at the A. Look at the O. Look at the A. Awesome, thank you. Okay, she has a positive accommodation in both her right and left eye. Alrighty, Miss Barber. So the next thing I'm going to do is be checking how well your eyes move in on an object that's moving closer to you. Okay? So what I'm going to have you do is stare at this little V right here. Let me know when it breaks into 2. Okay?
Looking at our fissure, which is the size. Between your eyelids, so when you look straight ahead as in you, and then may touch your face. Again, just touch.
No. Okay, go ahead and close your eyes for me.
Lids, lashes, and lacrimals.
Okay? When you open your eyes, you're going to let me know when it becomes 1 again. So go ahead and open your eyes.
No crusting.
No.
Okay, go ahead and close
And
your
I'm
eyes.
also be measuring pupil size. So again,
Awesome, thank you. We're going to do that one more time, okay?
Alright, so
Okay.
now I'm gonna check.
Let me know when it breaks
I'm gonna
into
measure
2.
the distance between your upper and lower lash lines. So
No.
Okay, go ahead and close your eyes for me.
fingers on your face, just look at that.
Okay, when you open your eyes, let me know when it becomes 1 again. Go ahead and open your eyes.
No.
Okay, go ahead and close your eyes for me.
size and the dark for both.
Okay. Alrighty, for near point of conversion, she has a 9 centimeter break average and a 12 centimeter recovery. Okay, alrighty, Mrs. Barber, go ahead and cover up your left eye for me. Next, we're going to be checking how well your eyes adjust to something that's coming up close in both your eyes, okay? Okay, so just let me know when it gets blurry. Go ahead and stare at this, go ahead and stare at the small V right here and just let me know when it gets blurry.
No.
Okay, go ahead and blink a few times. Does it clear up at all?
No.
Okay, go ahead and close your eyes for me. Okay, go ahead and cover up the right eye for me. Same thing, staring at the V, let me know when it gets blurry.
No.
Okay, go ahead and close it. Blink a few times for me. Does it clear up at all?
No.
Okay, go ahead and close your eyes.
Measure your pupil size in the dark.
Okay, now we're just going to be doing the same thing with both your eyes. Let me know when it gets blurry.
Flashing some light in your eyes here.
Alright, I'll
No.
have the pupil
Okay,
command that you.
blink a few times for me. Does it clear up?
No.
Okay, go ahead and close your eyes for me. Okay, alright. I'll go ahead and take that from you. Okay, so for a near point of accommodation, she was 7 centimeters in her right eye, 7 centimeters in her left eye, and 7.5 centimeters in both her eyes. Alrighty, Ms. Barber. Actually, I'm going to hand this back to you. Next, we're just going to be checking your color vision, okay? So go ahead and cover up your left eye for me.
Now I'm gonna have your pupils respond to light. Just keep looking at
Let
them.
me get this set up here, okay? So each plate is going to have some shapes. Just let me know what you see. First off, do you see any glare on the booklet?
No.
No? Okay, so go ahead and tell me what you see.
OX.
Oh, goodness, okay.
X triangle.
And those are fast
O.
constrictions, so 4 plus.
Nothing.
Okay, just go ahead and make sure it's covering up for me. Thank you. Okay.
OX.
Last thing, I'm gonna do one last test to see.
O triangle. X triangle. Triangle O.
Alright, I'm gonna have you look at where that baking is.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead and cover up your right eye for me. Let me know what you see.
X.
Yeah, that was better than one.
O.
No, I'm not. I've done that. I know.
Circle triangle.
Alright, great.
Triangle X.
Pupils dilated, so nothing.
Triangle O.
Yeah.
All set, thank you.
XO. Nothing.
Awesome, thank you. I can go ahead and take that from you. All right. Okay, so for color vision, she is a 10 out of 10 in her right eye, a 10 out of 10 in her left eye, method HRR. Alrighty, Miss Barber, next we're going to be checking is your depth perception. Okay, so what I'm going to have you do is put these over your regular corrections. Okay. Okay, so first of all, do you see any glare?
No.
In this booklet? Okay, awesome. So in this upper quadrant right here, please let me know what just pops out at you.
Circle, star, nothing, E.
Awesome. And in this lower quadrant right here?
Square, triangle, cross, nothing.
Okay. And in this vertical box right here, what pops out at you?
R plus L.
Awesome. Okay. And in these boxes, there's going to be a circle that pops out at you. Just let me know if it's left, middle, or the right one.
Okay. Left, right, left, middle, left, right.
Okay. Alrighty. Thank you, Miss Barber. Alright. Okay. So for her stereopsis, she is a positive RDS with 70 seconds of arc. Method Randot. Okay. All right. Okay, so I can go ahead and take those glasses from you and your actual glasses as well. Okay. Next, what I'm going to be checking is basically how well you see in your peripherals. Okay.
Excited to get my eyes checked.
Give this here. Go ahead and cover up your left eye for me. Okay. So with your right eye looking at my open eye, I'm going to flash figures of 1, 2, and 4 in 4 different spaces. Just let me know what you see. Okay.
4, 2, 1, 2.
Awesome. Thank you. I'm going to take that from you. For confrontation, she was full to finger count in her right eye. Okay, next I'm going to be just looking at how well your eye muscles move, okay? Okay, so staring at my light without moving your head, you're just going to follow the direction of my light, okay?
Try your very best to read the lowest line you can without squinting out of those.
F N T N O Z. Yeah, G-A.
Okay, Mrs. Barber, did you have any pain?
No.
Did you have any double vision?
Yeah, just coming in.
Okay, awesome. Okay, for her EOMS, she was smooth, accurate, full, and extensive, negative for pain, but positive for diplopia. Okay, alrighty, Miss Barber. Next thing I'm just going to be doing is have you close your eyes. I'm just going to look at some of the features on your face, okay? Okay, so go ahead and close your eyes for me.
Okay, awesome. And covering either eye, go ahead and give it a try.
VPN GOU.
Okay, go ahead and open your eyes. Look over here for me.
Awesome. I'll have you pop off your glasses for
Okay, look over here for me.
Cool.
Go ahead and look up.
Alright, we'll mix those up. Cover your left eye first.
Okay. Her external evaluation was symmetrical. She's negative for any lid, lashes, or lacrimal defects. For conjunctiva in her right eye, she had a slight injection with a grade of trace. In her left eye, slight injection with a grade of trace. Her eyes are green. She is negative for crusting. Okay, Mrs. Barber. Next, I'm just going to be looking at basically the distance from your upper and lower eyelids, and then checking your pupil size and light, okay? Okay, so go ahead and stare at that screen for me over there.
Alright. Now that you can see your up close vision here, so grab that card. Put light in your eyes and see it better. Okay, cover your left eye again with that. Try your best to read the lowest line you can out of those.
HPV BUE.
Or like go in and around your eyes, cover your other eyes, and
HPV BUE.
All right. Okay, for her fissure size, she is 10 millimeters in her right, 10 millimeters in her left. She is negative for ptosis. Her pupil size and lighting was 5 millimeters in her right and also 5 millimeters in her left. And her pupil sizes shapes are round. Okay, all right, next I'm just going to be checking your pupil size and dim lighting, okay? And what I'm going to do is shut that off.
Okay, now I'm going to be testing your eye. So
There we go.
this one.
Okay, so go ahead and stare at that screen for me.
For whether okay, so So you are going to be holding up your hand in a triangle, just like this. And we're going to center that letter right in the middle of that triangle. All right,
Awesome.
read that letter to me.
Okay.
Awesome. I'm going to cover each of your eyes.
Her pupil sizes in dim lighting were 6 millimeters in her right and 6 millimeters in her left, and that can just be due
All right,
to
put your hands down.
ambient
One more time, bring
lighting.
it back up. Can you see that okay?
Yes.
How about now? All right.
Okay.
Down.
Alrighty, Mrs. Barber. Next, I'm going to be checking how quickly your pupils respond to my light. Okay, so go ahead and stare at that screen for me. Okay, I'm just going to flash the light in your eyes a few times, okay?
Now we're going to be testing how your pupils respond. So we're looking at a distance target to a near target. So,
Okay, so now I'm gonna have.
it's your big distance target there.
Okay. Just tell me what you see in that box, okay?
Okay, awesome.
And this O is a near target.
Okay, she has a speed of 4 for her direct and consensual responses in both her right and left eye.
Big A, little O.
Alrighty, Miss Barber, and last thing but not least,
Awesome. Your pupils were accommodating.
I am just going to be checking for another response of your pupils, okay? Okay, so if you can go ahead and stare at that dark screen for me, I'm just going to flash the light a few more times, okay?
So, we're looking at this little B here on that bottom line. Let me know if and when it splits into two as I bring it closer to your face, okay?
Okay, awesome. All right, and she is negative for APD. Okay, do you have any questions? No. All right.